There are some elements that the business can bring to give that more reliability in terms of connectivity. The business is never going to own the broadband, it's never going to own the Wi-Fi in the home, but it can control how it delivers that application to the user. And so if it can reduce the distance and the latency that comes with that to the user by providing a central location. So what I mean by that is, there's a technology space which is called SASE today, and it's all about bringing network and security closer to the user by allowing the user to dial into a point of presence anywhere around the world. That could be the UK, it could be globally, and then providing connectivity options for that user. So maybe they need to break out to the cloud, which is where their application is. And that could be cloud in Asia, or it could be cloud in America, or cloud in Europe, for example. So having that sort of SASE, which is also enabled by terms of technology of SD-WAN as well, because SD-WAN is what gives us that connectivity into the cloud. It gives us so many more options about bringing that application closer to the user, but always at the idea of keeping it secure as well.